Hello, my name is Tom Stiles, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show number 60. Yes, number 60. Well, as I said at my last video, I would be retiring again soon, and sure enough, last week I retired again for the fourth time, I believe. Which means I'll have more time for my hobbies and more time to do videos. So that's a good thing, for me anyway, because I enjoy doing videos. Anyway, this show I'm going to show you something that I picked up at the local auction house. A little bit of information about the auction house. A friend of my wife's, whom she worked with in the school system, their son started an auction house. This was about 3 months ago. And so we wanted to support them, and we went to the opening of the first auction and really enjoyed it, and we've been going back ever since. And it's very convenient because it's only about a mile from us, so it makes it very convenient. And they really have some good stuff, and it's well run. They have about 50 to 60 people that show up, and they have everything imaginable at the auction. And one of the things I picked up at the auction one night that sparked my interest was something that about 10 or 15 years ago, an amateur radio friend of mine showed me one. And I thought they were quite interesting. I still don't know how they work. But if anybody knows, please send me a comment or an email. I did some searching on the internet and came up kind of short. But anyway, what it is a meter that monitors AC power, and it gives you the voltage and the frequency. Now, keep in mind, this particular meter is really old. Probably, I'm guessing, maybe 40s, 50s time frame. And the particular one that I got at the auction, it appears to be one for the military. And here is the item right here. Here's the box itself. And it has been repainted and cleaned up inside. Very good job of restoring it. And we open it up, and the top comes off, so I'll unhinge the top. And there is the upside down. There's a little diagram how to use it, and it does have a number, which I searched on the internet, and that's where I found that that's a piece of military equipment. This particular one is. So here is what it looks like. And down here is an AC voltmeter. And up here is the unique part. It's the frequency meter. And in general, how it works is that there are a number of reeds. That's these little white things. They're reeds. I call them reeds. And depending on the frequency of the AC power you have coming in, a particular reed will vibrate. And sure enough, I hooked it up and it does work. It gives me the correct voltage reading, and it shows it's right on 60 hertz. And that is, it's got 5 little reeds. Starting from 58 to 62, it goes 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, and sure enough, the middle one, which is 60 hertz, vibrates. And since it's vibrating, that part of the meter you switch on and off. So you don't want to leave it on all the time, otherwise you'll wear out that mechanism. But the AC stays on all the time. Now, the other surprise was that you'll see at the top there's 2 test points to put in test leads. And it didn't have any test leads. So I thought, well, I'll have to rig up some test leads with a AC plug so I can plug it in the wall to make the measurement. Well, lo and behold, on the bottom of the case is a little trap door. And if you open that little trap door, I say, when you open that little trap door, there we go. I'm getting there. Is an AC cord that's built into the device. It doesn't look like the original one because it's in very good shape, and I would imagine the original one was probably frayed, dried out. So that's been replaced. And like I said before, the box itself has been repainted, and the latches on the doors have been replaced. They were probably rusted out, and I think this handle is a new handle too. There was actually 2 items in this particular auction. One was this meter, and the other one, which was a VOM, again, about the same vintage. So I was able to get both of those units, and in a later show I'll show you the VOM. I won't show you that today. And like I say, this is very unique, very old. The restoring of it was very well done. It looks original now, except for the power cord looks kind of new. It's one of those standard zip cords, and I don't think they had zip cords back when this was originally built. So it's not the original power cord. And anyway, that's what I have for today. Like I said, if anybody has any information about this thing, please let me know. I could not find it. The number on the cover in a little diagram here is test set, 2 words, I as in Ido, dash 209-A. And like I say, I was able to find that on the internet, and it just said that it was a piece of military equipment, and I couldn't find any more information. I'd really like to find out how it works, how this read mechanism for measuring frequency works. That was kind of unique. Okay, that's the show for today. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you later on. Bye-bye.